physicists are more and more attracted to work in biology. I mean, on the one hand, it's sort of the technological side that physicists like to build instruments, and some of these can be useful in biology, and that's also what we do quite a bit. But there's more to that. I think there's also, of course, that, biological processes also rely on physical principles where physicists are needed to help with, explaining the biophysics, doing the modeling or those kind of things. But just in general, I find it really inspiring to work at this interface because there's so much that the physicists can contribute to biology by simply asking naive questions, right? So when you put physicists and biologists into one room, which is like my lab meeting, and the biologist explains something, the physicist would interrupt and say, like, wait a second, why do you do it this way? Why don't you do it that way? Or has really nobody ever studied this? And then the biologist would say, like, oh, yeah, never thought about it this way. This is interesting, never came up in the group of the biologists. So oftentimes the physicists, just with their different mindset, have a different view on things and ask different questions and suggest different methods. And I think that really is something that drives us forward, this multidisciplinary lab environment where, the biologist would maybe, they may not know how to continue. They come to an end where maybe the technology doesn't really deliver what they're looking for, and the physicists then jump in and say, oh, I can build you something, or I can program something for you that allows you to do this. And on the other hand, of course, the biologists give enough input for the physicists so that they can develop something meaningful, right? That it's not just a bunch of microscopists sitting in their basement and developing crazy microscopes that in the end maybe nobody needs.